handy from ABC. I've got a gram up right fridge to show you how to change the door seal. We check this door seal, we found it to be split here, so it doesn't meet current regulations for EHO, so we're going to change this door seal. I want to show you how to do it quickly. You come off easily, it comes out that track there with the arrowhead, so you remove it easily. Take your time so you don't damage the track. Pull it out carefully on the bottom. See all the food in the bottom? So it all needs to go clean once it's out. We're going to give it a clean with a cloth, a bit of sanitizer on there, and clean that track before we put the new one in. I'm going to show you how to fit this new seal. The old seal had gone, so that's going to go in the bin. Got the new seal. They're easy to fit. Always start off on the corners, so we're going to put them in the corners first. Get it in the arrowhead. Get it in the track. Make sure the arrowhead on the seal goes in the track. And if you do the corners first and then work your way in to the centre, you'll find that the seal will fit. Some people think that the seal's a little bit too long, but that's not the case. I'm doing the top first to hold it on the corners there, and I'm going to do the bottom now before I do anything else. Put the corner in again, the arrowhead into the channel, just fits in. Knead it in and work my way up. Do the same on this side. Corner in, knead it up. I'll make it look easy, but sometimes you're just going to manipulate the rubber a little bit to get it into the arrowhead. It's going in, okay, see it going in there. I'm going to do the same on that side. So always go outside in, and then that gasket will just slot in the centre. Otherwise, if you do it from going along, you'll find you have too much at the end and it looks like the seal's too big, but it's not. This seal's going in easy because I warmed it up. I just had it near the ovens before I put it on. I'll get it in roughly with my thumbs all the way, and then I'll smooth it down. So I'm going to go from the top now, work my way down. Can you see how I'm doing both sides at the same time? So we're in there now, so it's fit. I'm just going to make sure it's the same all the way around, and I'll make sure that that arrowhead's seated firmly in the fridge. It's that easy to fit them, but if you struggle when the gasket's cold, you'll find it a lot harder to do that. So always warm the gasket up. Warm water, air dryer, hang it on the oven. Easy. Check your corners, make sure your corners are in properly. If they're not, that could push the door open slightly. So you think the seal's not sealing properly. That's it, we'll try that now. There you go, it's sealed on.